Hello guys, solution to the near miss of dropping your guitars. This Planet Waves Diodario locking strap. It's easy to use. So let's put it on. There you go. Then just put it in. Then rotate. Same goes to the top. Put it in. Rotate. Secure. And it's only, I think when I bought it, it's only 10 pounds. I don't know how much now. This is the nylon one. It comes in different colors, black, red, whatever. But they got a premium one, which is, this one is a Joe Satriani. And I put it on my SG. And look it online.